Hey guys, my name is Fateh, and our today's topic is about wireless technology. So we are going to be discussing the types of wireless technology, the definition of wireless technology, importance, advantages, and disadvantages of wireless technology. So first of all, wireless technology. So wireless technology refers to the transfer or information or power between two or more points without the use of wires, cables, or other physical media. Here are some key aspects of wireless technology. Types of wireless technology. Wi-Fi. There are total 7 types of wireless technology, and these are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular network like 3G, 4G, and 5G, radio frequency, infrared, satellite communication, microwave communication, application of wireless technology, mobile devices, smartphones, tablets, and laptops, wireless local area network plans, wireless wide area networks, Internet of Things, smart home and cities, industrial automation, healthcare and medical devices, navigation and tracking system. Advantages of wireless technology: convenience and mobility, increase productivity, reduce cost, improve safety, enhance connectivity, faster data transfer rate, great flexibility. Challenges and limitation of wireless technology: security risk, interference and signal degradation, limited range and coverage, dependence on infrastructure, power consumption, health risk, compatibility and standardization issue. Features of wireless technology: 5G and 6G networks, edge computing and AI, quantum computing and cryptography, Wi-Fi and visible light communication, wireless power transfer and charging, nanotechnology and terahertz frequency, space-based wireless technology. Wireless technology has transformed the way we live, communicate, eat, and it is continued evolution will shape the future of humanity. Here are some more detailed information about wireless technology. Wireless technology type: Wi-Fi, a popular wireless networking technology for internet access. Bluetooth, a wireless personal area network technology for device-to-device communication. Cellular network, wireless wide area network WANs for mobile communications. Radio frequency, a type of wireless communication using radio waves. Infrared, a line of sight wireless technology for short range communication. Satellite communication, wireless communication using satellite orbiting the earth. Microwave communication, wireless communication using microwave frequency. The application of wireless technology: mobile devices, smartphones, tablets, laptops, and wearables. Wireless local area network LANs, Wi-Fi networks for internet access. Wireless wide area network, a cellular network for mobile communication. Internet of Things, wireless connectivity for device and sensor. Smart homes and cities, wireless automation and control systems. Industrial automation, wireless control and monitoring systems. Healthcare and medical devices, wireless medical devices and telemedicines. Wireless technology advantages: convenience and mobility, increased productivity, reduced cost, improved safety, enhanced connectivity, faster data transfer rates, great flexibility. Wireless technology challenges: security risks, interference and signal degradation, limited range and coverage, dependence on infrastructure, power consumption, health risk, compatibility and standardization. Feature of wireless technology: 5G and 6G network, edge computing and AI, quantum computing and cryptography, Wi-Fi and visible light communication, wireless power charge transfer and charging, nanotechnology and terahertz frequencies, space-based wireless communication. Wireless technology has revolutionized the way we communicate, access information, and control devices. Its continued evolution will shape the future of humanity, enabling new applications, services, and innovation. Here are some points on the importance of wireless technology. Convenience. Wireless technology provides convenience and mobility, enabling users to access information and communicate from anywhere to anywhere. Increased productivity. Wireless technology increased productivity by enabling users to work remotely and access information quickly. Improve the safety. Wireless technology improves safety by enabling emergency services via remote monitoring. Enhanced connectivity. Wireless technology enhances connectivity, enabling global communications and collaboration. and collaboration. Okay. Thank you.